Hi everyone. So in this video you will learn how to use download.js in JavaScript to download files. So I'm already on the GitHub page of download.js. You just need to Google it, download.js, and you will see this page. So it got very simple function, download function. You need to specify the URL and it will start the downloading right away. Also, there's another way of downloading a file. For example, if you're downloading a text content, in that case, you need to specify the blob here, the file name, and the MIME type. You can read these params here. Okay. Also, there are some examples at the bottom. You just need to check them out to learn more about it. In this video, I will cover this text thing and I will cover the URL thing. I will show how you can download the image from a URL using this download.js library. So first of all, we need this download.min.js file. Just simply right click, open a new tab, and you can click download here. Okay. I have already done so. So let's go to code editor. So here is that file. So let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to a style sheet, which will be style.css. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. Just before the script file, you need to add this download file. So it will be download min.js. We need an input element, so let's create one. Type will be text. We need two buttons. First will be text, just copy and paste it, and let's make it image. Now give these two buttons IDs. So ID for this will be d-text and ID for this will be d-image. Great. Now let's create a style sheet here. Select the input element. Display will be block. Margin will be 0 and auto. Height will be around 25 pixels and width will be around 300 pixels. Select the div element. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Margin top will be around 10 pixels. Gap will be 10 pixels. Select the button element. Padding will be 5 pixel and 20 pixel. Great. I just open this file in the browser. So in this input field, first of all, I will type some text. The moment when I will click on this text button, a text file will get downloaded. Later, I will enter some URL here, the image URL, and when I will click on this image button, that image will get downloaded. So let's start working on the script file and see that in action. Create a script.js here. Select both the button elements as well as the input element. So let's make it input element first. We'll select it by the tag. Let's go with the text button. We'll select it by the ID, which is d-text. Just copy and paste it. Let's make it image, same goes here. Add event listener to both the buttons. The event will be click. Just copy and paste it. Let's make it image. So in case of a text, first of all, we'll get the input value. So let's make it text content and store the input value here. Now we'll call the download function. First of all, we need to pass the data, which is the text. Then we need to enter the file name. In this case, let's make it data.txt. Also, we need to pass the MIME type. So in case of a text, it will be text/plain. In case of an image, we can directly pass the URL. So let's make it input element.value and we'll simply call the download function for this URL. Now just save it and go to the browser. Now let me type some dummy text here. For example, let's type hello world. Click on text. A text file will get downloaded. Let's open it. We got the text here. You can also try with the image URL. Let me copy and paste one. So this is the image URL. Let me click on the image. Let's open that image. And here it is. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.